How to share Excel file from computer to WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can share or send Excel file from computer to WhatsApp. Now the process is quite simple. First, however, what you'll need to do is you'll have to download or save your Excel file as a document to your computer. Now if I open the file manager here on downloads, you can see I've downloaded this couple of files here, and you can see the sample Excel file here. I downloaded it. Now to send it to WhatsApp, simply open up WhatsApp. You can get WhatsApp from your Microsoft Store, or you can download it from the web browser itself. Once you download WhatsApp, link your account in. I've already made a video on linking account. You can browse to my channel to view on how you can connect your WhatsApp account to your laptop. Now here, once you connect it, what you want to do is head into chat that you want to send the MS Excel file to, and at the bottom of the screen here you can see the emoji icon, and beside it you'll see the little pin icon. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see varieties of options. Click on document option here, and once you click on document, you'll be able to browse to your computer here. Head into the folder where you have downloaded or saved the Excel file. In my case, it's on downloads here, and you can see the file example here. This is the Excel file that I've downloaded as a demo purpose. Simply click on it and select it and click on open, and it's load up here. Now you can add a caption if you want, or you can add message if you want, and then simply click on send and it'll be sent. So this way you can share or send Excel file from computer to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.